The UPS Store Print and Business Services. The UPS Store is a locally owned franchise offering a range of products and services specifically designed to help and support small business owners in the local community. They're mainly known for packing and shipping nationwide and worldwide, but they're more than just that. They provide printing services, mailboxes with a real street address, and package notification with direct mail services. So why is opening a UPS franchise a wonderful opportunity? The UPS Store is the world's largest franchisor of retail shipping, postal, printing, and business service centers. They have 35 years of franchise experience, so they're well built and knowledgeable of the markets. 84% of the United States population lives within 10 miles of a UPS Store, and studies have shown that convenience and accessibility are essential for driving businesses in today's competitive market. In addition, the UPS Store ranks number 5 in Entrepreneur's Franchise 500, and they are ranked number 1 in postal and business service category for the past 30 years. And finally, the UPS Store has over 4,800 locations, so they're well known around the country. Franchise costs. So there are 3 different locations for opening a UPS franchise. A traditional location ranges from $161,000 to $470,000. A rural location ranges from $138,000 to $397,000. Store and store locations range from $75,000 to $299,000. 8.5% of franchise owners' adjusted gross monthly sales goes back to the franchisor of UPS. 5% of that fee goes to royalties, and 3.5% goes to local and national marketing and advertising efforts. UPS has a number of financing options available to start a franchise business. They have a 401k business founding. They have an SBA loan, portfolio loan, unsecured loan, and they also have veteran discounts. UPS also offers a very wide variety of training and extensive training. They have a 4-phase training program. The first phase is web-based training, about 40 to 45 hours. Phase 2 is in-store experience, at about another 45 hours. Phase 3 is a university business course in print services training, 90 hours in San Diego, California. And Phase 4 is an in-store experiences the second time around. That is also 40 to 45 hours. Finally, entrepreneur characteristics of a UPS franchise owner: leader, risk taker, willingness to learn, thick-skinned, patient, and overall management.